Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Monopoly Go account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Monopoly Go application. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then go to Settings option. Here you can see the account deletion option. Click on it. Scroll down your screen and click on Delete My Account option. Here you'll have to enter your name and email address. Tap on Next button. Here you'll have to select a reason on why you are deleting your account. Select one. You can also add additional feedback in the second text box. Now in the last text box, you'll have to type confirm. Then tap on Submit button. And that is how you can delete Monopoly Go account. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.